So as you see, I level across as I go. It's the same result as in put your plumb this way. We're only going to do it for the first courses that we're laying right along, and afterwards we just work with our line. How it's going, guys? Same thing, just another day. So today we're here to do a block foundation. It's a 35 pound 10 inches block. It's one of those super heavy one. Yeah, boy. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video, guys, and lay some blocks. I know, right? Where is the steel? Where is the rebar? I asked the same question. Yeah, it's not like how we do it in the Caribbean. I'm just here to lay the blocks, and this is how they did the footings. So I'm just here to install the blocks on them. This is the drawing that we have here today. Just giving you guys a look of what we have. So we're just gonna work from this point over here, work all the way around that way, and work around this way. So as you see, we set up this section here and run it from over there, run it from that point. So now we're gonna square that section, go back that way, and then we're gonna start to lay our blocks. As you see, I catch my square mark right here already. So I have my mark right here. First one I'm just niching out here, just so that it sits evenly inside here. So we lever it this way, and we're gonna lever it across again. Once you lever it, this helps make it more easier to plumb. As you go up, you want to feel right through here with mortar as well. Yeah, this mixer kind of good, you know, not too soft, not too hard. We're trying to catch a level now, right? You see that? So guys, this block is some 10 inches block. The weight of them is 35 pounds, so it's a very heavy block we're dealing with here today. We're making a foundation, block foundation, so we're just trying to build a corner here so that I can square it. A line level that you can use as well. So let's see, we level right there now. And let's see, we square right here. And just down there, holding it to the direction. Okay, so we're good like that. So once you see we continue here, now we're gonna try and lay all the blocks from this direction, go all the way around. And then afterwards we catch our level, then we're gonna continue on to do the whole wall. Hold it for Martha now, Chris. What bucket you have? Right, hold of the long piece. I'm going to take a hold of it. Hook up no more. Do you know what look at it? No, too much, yeah. Alright, what is it? Alright, that's very good. Here. So as you see, I level across as I go. It's the same result as in put your plumb this way. We're only going to do it for the first courses that we're laying right along, and afterwards we just work with our line. You get it, keep watching. Okay guys, so we're laying some blocks today. Remember, when laying blocks, there's two sides to it. As you see, there's a rough side and there's a smooth side. You always want to turn the rough side down. When laying block, you always want to match the block with the existing block that's already laid. Try and fit the bottom and then you fit the top. Being as we're doing the first course on the foundation, I want to put our level across and level it. Only the first course. Reason why we're trying to get it to be plumb. If you put the level this way, it's gonna show you that it's plumb. To butter the face off for a block, you want to plaster it like that. You just go up like that. put it like this right here. I hold just stay home because you do a lot of extra job at that time. So listen this.
I see him, them, I saw a deep, the foundation is deep, deep at Jamaica, see me.
Oh, remember our basement? Remember the
Jamaica foundation, about 4 feet.
Feet on him or something. Some people they get away.
Yeah, some man at Jamaica, dog, nothing sweet them like when you go to a foundation now and the hand them are using it. And big guy, yo, eh?
You pay, that's what you love.
Pay what? The man can't pay for that. The man can't pay for that. The man.
So here we'll build our lead. And first guys, we catch our level right around the perimeter of the foundation. So we're catching, we're gonna make another lead here now. And then we're gonna just carry on our block work. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you do enjoy the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're new. We have lots more video coming up like this, guys. Thank you for watching.
cut it short here. I don't want to draw in the video too much. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're new here. Promise you won't regret it. We upload videos twice a week, sometimes even 3 times a week.